so we are going to braid this on up. It's gonna probably go back into a time lapse, but also I just had a facial, so the sis is glowing, okay? Let's do this. I'm excited. You excited? Great. We are going to part. And I think with this hair, all of it is going to be crocheted. I'm not leaving individuals in the front. I feel like I may regret that though, so I may do individuals in the front. Depends on the time. Depends on the time. All right. Take this back. I'm gonna try to actually braid tighter today. I'm gonna try. But just to let y'all know what hair it is, I realized I didn't even say what hair it was. This is boho style water curl. Ooh, it's a lot of names. It's a long name. The New Locks. No, Bobbi Boss. New Locks boho style water curl. Ooh, child. Okay, water curl boho. I'm tired. Overall, they faux locks. Oh, they call it Bobbi Boss New Locks. Okay, and then the style that I got was their water curl boho style. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that the top part will be individual, and I'm gonna keep this braided back. Let's see how I feel about that. Hopefully this helps with me not having too much, you know, pull and tug on the edges. Put some oil on the scalp or some moisturizing cream, anything like that. Any moisturizer. All right, you'd be in the clear. All right, I'm going to use a little bit of edge control. Let's use this. Since it's near me, this is my Black is Beautiful Edge Slayer. I just need something a little tacky. I don't know where my shining jam is, so it's gone. All right, let's braid. Let's time up this boy. So I didn't braid this one that tight, so that's gonna be real interesting. So this is the hair that I have, 18 inches. Kind of wish they had a little bit longer, but you know, we're gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. Yeah. Hopefully I like it. Woo, what if I don't? I haven't done faux locks in a while, and it surely wasn't this hair. This was not the hair everybody was talking about at the time. So I pray it doesn't itch, all the things. So it seems like each one has a thing on it, which I kind of wish it was every other. So you may see me cut some because I don't need too much hair going on. So let's go right into this. I'm going to use this crochet hook. Go in, make sure that thing is closed. Now we open it up, hook it onto the hair, close the latch, and pull it on through. No, not for this one. I can't do the technique. All right, so I'm focused. We're focused. So for this one, it kind of has to stay on the hook the whole time. So once again, slide it through, hook it onto the loop, pull it through, keep the hook in there, grab the hair. Ooh wee. The process is real. Slide it through the hair. Okay? Undo that hook. Move. And now it's in there. Ta-da! I'm gonna come closer. But that's the whole concept. You gotta keep it on the hook. If you let it go, you're gonna have to do some extra steps. So we don't wanna do that. I kinda also wish that these loops was a little bit more obvious. So, anyways, let's keep going. I didn't do that hook good, so let's try to find the hole again. Wow, I don't like this hair. Wouldn't recommend. I can't find the loop. Wow. Well, I mean, at this point, why is the loop not easy to find? I don't want to be here all day. This was supposed to be fast. My current experience with the hair right now, it's giving me a 2 out of 10. You gotta be kidding me. Y'all, I don't have time for this. Like, if I could be honest, I have somewhere to be. Just gonna breathe. Why can't I look? What is this? Hey, everybody need to act right. You hear me? What's that doing? Is this supposed to curl? I don't want to do that. Don't curl. Ooh, that's not cute. That's not what I want. Some of these curls? Ew. No. No. What it's looking like? It's a little shorter than I'm used to, but let's make it work. Let's make it work. I don't know what the back gonna look like. Y'all just pray for the back. Whatever it ended up looking like, that's what it looked like. I just really wish, is this not crochet? I assume it was crochet? It is. Them loops is what? Non-existent. Also too, I didn't really shave that much, so if you see a little something, that's probably why. Almost done, y'all. This took way longer than I expected. I am reaching 2 hours putting this in. How am I reaching 2 hours? All in all though, the hair is cute. She's cute. But this trying to take me out. And I didn't want to go outside. I'm going inward on purpose because once I flip over the hair, it's gonna lay that way. That's the way I want it to go. As you can see, with this braid right here, I went inward this way with the crochet hook, and now it's kind of sitting up in the air. I was trying to get it to go this way, but it's not really doing what I was asking. But yeah, so you want to you want to put the crochet hook in the direction you want the hair to lay. I want it to lay this way, so I'll put it in this way. Now, some of you probably already been saying, Janae, just keep it on the hook, it'll be easier. It wasn't. It wasn't easier. Oh, nope, struggling. It was not easier, so that's why I'm not using a hook. One more, please. Please. I think I can deal with this one. I don't know, y'all. Alright, so I'm going in. Add it to the hook. Close the hook. Slide it through. Find the loop again because I decided to do it like this. that helps me know that I'm pulling on the right one. That's why you see me do that. Pull it through. And, oh, no, no, come on. Make sure it's right on there. Okay, we're done. This is what we were looking like. Wow. That was a journey. If you want to be humble, put this hair in. If you want to be grateful, put this hair in. If you want to be grateful for the things that you have, put this hair in. You be like, you know what? Life ain't that bad. I did decide to do a middle part. So yeah, but for the most part, I'll be wearing the hair, y'all know me, off to the side. So that's what we're looking like. And I am gonna lay down my edges. I could have added some more hair right here, but that's not much hair right there. And we gotta be smart. We're gonna be using the Edge Fixer by His Color. Y'all know how I feel about this. I really like it a lot, but if this is, you can't layer with this. Like if you go back in and try to lay your hair down the next day, it may be white. It may get some cakiness. So why? I don't want to use my mouth. We're going in. These edges down. A little swoop whoop for the people. Now this side, we already talked about this side. I left too much hair out, so I'm gonna make it do what it do here. Okay, we're gonna embrace that. We're gonna just say that that's different. We're gonna say that we're innovative, that we're starting a new trend. I don't know what the maid's doing right there. That's what they look like. Okay. All right, so this is the final look. Wow, who is she? This is like a couple hours after I came from one of my friends' birthday dinners. But yeah, I would give this hair initially, just like the look of it. Let's do it like this. The look of the hair is a 10 out of 10. The application of the hair is a 4 out of 10. That took me way too long. I was there way too long. And I would say the maintenance of the hair is a 6 out of 10. The hair just kept snagging and it just wasn't lasting. I had to keep cutting the hair. So that is my final review. Let me know your thoughts.